Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the CMF Phone 1. And I think you've realized it already, if you're long pressing here the power button, you wake up the Google Assistant with. But how to power off the phone? For that you will need next to the power button as well the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and then you are here at the power off menu. Just confirm that on power off and the phone will shut down. There's a second way to power off the phone. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have here as well the power off symbol. Just tap on it, then you have here the power off menu, confirm the power off, and the phone will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button here as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point System, and here we will need the point Gestures. And you will need now the point Press and Hold Power Button. And here you can decide what should happen if you long press the power button. Actually, we are waking up the Google Assistant with, here the digital assistant. But in the future, we want to have the power off menu. Just tap here on power menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you are immediately at the power off menu. Just tap here on power off and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.